Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article right here regarding about the actual range of a Cybertruck. Alright, so according to this article from Electric, it stated that the Cybertruck only gets 254 miles in the highway range test, and this was done by one of the channels called Outer Specs. Okay, so from what it says, the EPA for this is range is 320. So you're looking about like what, 70, 65 miles less than what it is. Okay, so we can see over here, the actual right here, it's like 320 for the Cyber Beast right here. And with the range extender will be 440 plus, but which they haven't released yet. So, and this one is they conducted at only 70 miles per hour, so which is they should receive more range than 254. Okay, but here is the channel Outer Spec, and they actually did a live stream of the whole thing. So if you want to take a look at it, you can hop over there and take a look. But for a 254 mile range, and all right, hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be doing like the unboxing and kind of like review this product, or actually just somewhat show you guys how to connect it to from a Tesla charger to the to your vehicle. So Novion reached out to me and asked if I can do an unbox and kind of like a little bit of demo of with this new adapter for the Tesla, and if you own any other EVs besides the Tesla, and then you can use this charger to charge your other EVs. Okay, so pretty much I'm just going to do the unboxing, read you like the specification, and I'll bring it out to my mobile connector and then connect it, and if you were to connect it to another vehicle. Unfortunately, I don't have another vehicle that uses the same connector as this to test it on, so but you're just going to have to see the demo, right? As you can see, one of the corners here, it got bitten off by my little Frenchie, but there's no damage to the inside of the box. So this is what it looks like, all right, from the box and the outside. And it says right here, the voltage max is 250 volts AC and current max is 80 amps. So if you were using a wall connector from Tesla, it pushes out about 48 amps. And if you're using a mobile connector, it's about 32 amps. So this connector is more than suitable and more than can handle what it is. And working temperature is from 22 Fahrenheit all the way to 122 Fahrenheit. And it says here the insulation resistance is greater than 100 amp and then 500 volt DCs. And a little bit of important notes right here. When using your Tesla destination charger, please ensure that the output current is off less than 80 amps. So this one cannot be connected to a Tesla supercharger. So once again, you cannot connect it to a Tesla supercharger, okay? So after connecting the adapter to your Tesla charger, wait for 30 seconds and then connect the other end to your EVs with the J1772 charging interface. Before use, make sure the output of the port of the Tesla charging pile is closely connected with the charger adapter. So let's do a little bit of the unboxing. It's very heavy, and I've seen one of the other YouTubers. He actually opened this whole thing, and it actually shows the wire inside. It's not a thin wire; it's like a 4-gauge wire. The two conductors to make it 220 volts to give it about. If you charge it at 32 amps, it's gonna about kilowatts, 7 kilowatts. All right. And so here is the other end that goes through to the Tesla charger, and here it has a little push ends to release it, and over here same thing too. So I'm going to take you guys out to my charger, and then I try to kind of connect it, put it together, so you guys at least get a see of how it looks like. And from feeling the adapter itself, looks like it's like super heavy duty adapter. It's not lightweight, it's heavy, and well, pretty looks like durable to me. So let's try it out. Use this adapter is quite easy. This is my Tesla mobile charger. It is pushing out 32 amps. So when I charge my Tesla, I get 32 amps. And that's the max it can go. But if you have a wall charger, it can go up to 48 amps. Okay? And so basically all you do is stick it in here like this. Then you'll hear a click. Technically, it's not supposed to come out like that. Okay? You're supposed to push this lever so it can lock in to release it. But I guess, I don't know. So, but it's supposed to be in like this. And then you just charge your maybe a Rivian, a Lucid, whichever, with this, 1772. And then once you're done with it, you just press unlock this, and then it'll release and you pull it out, okay? But unfortunately, I don't have any other EVs vehicle beside a Tesla, so I can't really do the charging. But then if you do connect it, it will show on your computer of your car is how many watts is taken and stuff like that, just as if you were charging a Tesla. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll leave the description for this adapter just in case if you guys want to use it with your other EVs and the one that already have a Tesla mobile connector or wall charger. All right, thank you. Take care. That's not a lot of range, so that's almost like the same range as the VinFast vehicle, you know. And if you put more loads on it, and it probably get even less than what it is. So what is the Cybertruck just meant to be designed so we can just drive, it looks nice, just like some of the Cadillac that they used to make back in the days, or what? But yeah, but 250 miles, that's really not much. And if you think about it, they talked about the extender too, and that's going to add about $16,000. And they stated that it's going to go what, like 440. But I don't know if it will ever gonna get that numbers some way somehow. Or maybe at a different temperature, maybe in a warmer temperature, maybe you get more, but colder we get a lot less. So 254. So if you're buying a Cybertruck, you know, that's what you should be expecting, or at least get an idea of it. Hopefully more people will conduct more tests, so that way we get a real numbers of the actual. But again, this is with the actual factory wheel, like 35 inches, you know, really big wheels. But still, it could have been better. All right, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions regarding about Tesla, feel free to leave a comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.